Hey y'all, I got sent over, it's called a mobile storage island. It's like a little kitchen island cabinet. Only I'm going to put it right here, and I think it's wide enough to accommodate my microwave and my air fryer. My air fryer is up against the counter shelf up there, and it's just too tight of a fit. So I'm going to put this thing together in here in the kitchen because it's going to go right here, and it's pretty darn heavy. So don't try to move this by yourself. Get some help. I'm going to get it laid out, and we'll see how hard it is to put together. And the main thing is we're going to see what it looks like when we get done. So stick around. Alrighty, here we go. Got a piece there. Looks like they're all going to be numbered. Have our very thick instruction book. This might take a while. One of 51 pages. We're going to probably fast forward through this. Okay, the little rollers right here are stamped right on the inside, and it'll say DR. The other one, like this one, says GR. Actually, it says CR, I believe. CR, CL, and DL. They're just stamped in the metal itself. Be real careful not to over tighten these because they will pull right out of that wood and you will have it stripped out. If you're interested in that vacuum cleaner, I'll put a link down in the description. Does a real good job, and that was on low. These are nice casters. They have brakes on them too. It'll lock it down. It won't go anywhere. It's a good deal. Well, only two of them have brakes. Okay. So we'll note to make sure we put the brakes on the right end. They'll go on the end, the towel rack end. Well, there it is, folks. It took a while to get it together, but man, I like it. It is nice. That drawer rolls smooth. Look at the cabinet doors. Got plenty of shelf space in there. Adjustable shelf here that apparently I don't have lined up right. There we go. This is adjustable for 1, 2, and 3 different heights. I had that one off a little bit. Anyway, got some nice space right here to put spices or whatever you want to on both doors. Got a nice bottom to it here. Locking casters. Shuts smooth. Oh, the trash can. Oh, well, you have a towel rack, I guess would be what you'd hang on it down here. But I have a trash can, and it fit perfect in here. Now this is I believe it's a 13-gallon. Yeah, over here on the side, 13-gallon, 16.54 by 12.99 by 28.35. Fits perfect down in there. Now I couldn't put my lid on it, but with it closed up like that, shouldn't be any problem whatsoever. And the cool thing is, if you needed more counter space, you can roll this out. I turned it sideways so you can see it a little better. But has these little shelves under here, sliding them out. There you go, got more space there if you need it. Now I'm going to put my microwave and air fryer over here on it, so I'll have more space on my kitchen counter over there. So that is going to work out perfect. I'm going to put it on there and get it plugged in, and then I will be back and show you what it looks like with it on there. I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order your own. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. Now let me get that over here and show you what it looks like with stuff on it. Well, there it is, folks. I got the microwave up here, the air fryer up here. Got a case of water put in down there, out of the way. My little thing that you put over the food in the microwave. Got that in here instead of just laying out on the counter. Neatly organized. Trash can over there. Towel rack over here if I needed it. Definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.